Meaning of gallery.
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 Gallery. The word gallery has multiple meanings depending on the context. It can refer to a room or building where art is exhibited, a display of images or photos, a balcony or upper level inside a building, or a group of people who support or promote a particular artist or art form. In all cases, a gallery provides a platform for showcasing and sharing works of art with others. It is a space where creativity reigns and people come together to appreciate and celebrate the beauty and power of artistic expression.